Hello guys, welcome back. Now we will try to make double exposure effect in Photoshop like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to Object Selection tool. Select Subject. Now go to Select tab and select and Mask. Hardness should be 0. Control your brush size with brackets. Now check decontamination color. Select new layer with layer marks and press OK. Now create a background color. Now bring your another image. Drop here. It will create a new document as per your image resolution and size. Hold this image, drag and drop. Select the image, Ctrl T or Command T to transform, Ctrl or Command minus, hold Alt or Option and drag. Now hold Alt or Option and come between these two layers and click. Create a layer marks. Foreground color black and select a soft brush. Control your brush size with brackets. Hit Ctrl or Command 0. Double click here and choose the background color. Ctrl minus or Command minus. Select the above layer and hold Shift, Ctrl, Alt and press E. Right click, convert to smart object. Go to image, adjustment and bright and contrast. Go to image, adjustment and level. Hit OK. Now go to Filter tab, come to Render, Lens Flare. Hit OK. You are done. Thanks for the watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in the next video.